It's better and safer to perform your Serravalle setup using two people. Start by installing the pump through the cord pipe in the large bowl and then through the pedestal using the notched groove at the bottom. Use the proper orientation when installing the large bowl onto the pedestal. The large channel goes into the large groove and it twists in place. You can now add the pump jacket filter accessory over the pump. Leave enough slack in the power cord that you're able to move the pump freely inside that basin area and add your cord pipe cap. Add your pump riser housing, again noting that orientation, large channel into the large groove and twist in place. You'll install the smaller end of the silicone tubing into the riser with the larger end of the tubing going up through those center bowls into the various tiers, and again watching your orientation of the twist and lock. The next riser installed with the proper orientation with the tubing going up and through, again that large end facing up. Now the smaller spill bowl, same procedure. Attach the tubing to the top feature piece securely. Place the feature on top and adjust as necessary. You can now connect the smaller end of the tubing directly to the pump. Place the pump back inside the riser, making sure not to bend or kink the tubing. With the pump sitting firmly at the bottom of the reservoir, add your access door. If you've installed all parts in the proper orientation, that access door and the pump power cord will line up, and you can turn the fountain so that those are at the back of the viewing area. Fill with water so that each tiered bowl is full, with the bottom bowl being at least 3/4 full to begin. You can use a small piece of foam to soften the flow from the top feature. The string rocks are a great way to reduce the splash in the surrounding area, which also provides the benefit of less frequent top-ups, which will save water.